What is up, guys? It is Financial Mike and we are back here with another video. Today I really want to go into depth about building value in fiber optic door-to-door sales. A lot of people reach out to me and they're struggling in more saturated markets or saturated areas to build value against their competitors. So let's just go straight into it. So instead of pitching on price and fiber, you always want to be pitching on value, because if the value outweighs the price, then there's no reason why the price should be an issue. All right, now let's justify that down a little bit more. If the value is there, whether they're paying more or whether it's saving them money or whether it's just something that's meeting them right in the middle, if the value is justified and you can really make them understand the difference between where they're at and where they could be, as long as they're able to sign up with you, then you're in there like swimwear. So how do we build value? So in fiber, there's a couple different ways that you can go about it. The most important one is private line directed to the home, no contract whatsoever. Depending on the ISP that you're selling for, you're also going to get a gift card as well, a couple of free months of service. So these are all value builders. So when I'm going into my pitch, I'm like, hey, my name's Mike, I'm with XYZ provider for fiber. The reason why I'm here is because we just laid out those lines. You've probably seen our trucks here, correct? Yeah. So main reason why we're out here, we're just doing the faster, more reliable, more affordable internet. A lot of people are just getting stuck in that promotional phase with their current provider that just tends to go up every single year. I'm sure you guys have seen that, correct? Yeah. Everybody's getting sick and tired of that. So what we're out here doing is no contract. It's a price lock for life. And on top of that, you also get a free month as well. So I'm not here to be a dentist and pull anybody's teeth about making any changes. My route guy is going to be in the area just getting everybody set up for that free upgrade. Do you guys typically prefer the mornings or do you prefer the afternoons? So instead of just going strictly into price, I always like to start building value. And obviously I'm not doing a mock role play right now, so it's kind of, you're not necessarily getting what I'm getting at. But the reason why you want to go and pitch value is because if you stray away from the price, the biggest carrot over everybody's head is like, wow, everything this guy is saying is pretty good. It sounds pretty nice. I really like the idea of it, but how much is it? They're always going to wonder how much is it. And that's the question that you want to be popping out from these homeowners that you're talking to, because that's when you know you got them hooked. So don't pitch on the price. Don't be like, yeah, we're doing the faster internet, it's only $60, because if you just say the price, then there's no value. Then they're gonna be like, well, it doesn't fucking matter. I'm already paying XYZ amount, so why should I switch just because it's less, you know? So I always make the comparison. It's like a flip phone. It's like a flip phone versus a smartphone. They both work. One's just gonna be a little bit better for you, client, and here's why. Because you're on a shared broadband network right now, which is with all the neighbors, and around 5 to 6, when everybody gets home, it kind of gets backed up like a highway because everybody's just on it. So the benefit with the fiber optics is that we're gonna get you that private line that goes directly to the home. Nobody else can get onto your service. It's symmetrical upload and symmetrical download speeds, so it's 10 times quicker than what you're currently doing. All I gotta do is just run a quick speed test with you to make sure that you guys are actually getting what you're paying for. Boom, value, 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 value. So if you are in fiber and you are struggling to build value and you want to get better at fiber optic door-to-door sales and go from making 2 to 3 sales to 5 to 10 to actually freaking making some killer numbers and going out there and making tons of money every single day, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Feel free to book a discovery call with me in my bio or in the link down below. But yeah, drop any questions that you guys have. If you have any other video topics that you want me to go into depth about, I'd love to do that. Not only do I just do fiber, I have virtual solar, I have actual solar, we have pest control roles, we have insurance roles, anything that you guys need. And if you're trying to get to the next level, that's exactly why I'm here, to get you guys there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.